If you forgot the password to your Galaxy tab, you will have to factory reset it. Be aware that this will erase all data on it. Unfortunately, unless you remember the password, your data will be locked forever. So wiping all data is the only remaining choice to use the tablet again. Here's how to do it. If you have an old tablet with a home button, turn off the tablet by holding the power button. Then, when booting, hold power, volume up and home when powering up. Hold the buttons until you see the menu with the Android icon. This menu should appear. Navigate using the volume buttons and select with the power button. Go to wipe data and select it. But if you have a newer tablet, the button presses are different and more specific. It is the same button combination as on Samsung phones. So I will show you the process on a phone, but it's the same on tablets. Connect your phone via USB to your computer. Then hold down the volume down button and the power button until your phone restarts. If you keep holding it, you will notice that it keeps restarting. Okay, now comes the tricky part. See when the screen turns black before the logo appears. You need to switch buttons when the screen is black. So when the screen is black, change your finger from the volume down button to volume up, while also keeping the power button. This will get you into the recovery menu. Keep holding the buttons until this menu appears. Just have patience. From here, use volume up and down to scroll through the options. And with the power button you can select the option. Go to wipe factory reset, accept, and it is going to start the process. After it finishes, select reboot now, and your phone will reset. If it gets stuck on the logo, give it time. It isn't stuck, it's just doing its thing. It will restart in a few minutes. Then the phone will get into the initialization menu, like it came out of the box when you bought it.